In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in PowerPoint. Adding a soundtrack is a simple way to set the mood, keep attention, and make your slides feel more professional. I'll walk you through the exact path to get music into your presentation using PowerPoint in your web browser, and I'll add quick tips so you get great results the first time. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for PowerPoint. Head to the official site so everything runs smoothly. Once you're there, sign in with your account. This ensures your work saves to the cloud and you can access it from any device. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're in the one where you want the file to live. Next, create a blank presentation. A blank canvas keeps distractions to a minimum while you add your audio. If you plan to use a template later, you can always apply it after the music is in place. With your new presentation open, go to the Insert tab at the top. This is the home for all media tools, pictures, videos, and the audio controls we'll use now. Click Audio. PowerPoint will prompt you to choose a file from your device or available storage. Before you pick a track, make sure the file is compatible. Formats like MP3, WAV, and M4A typically work well, and that you have the rights to use the music, especially for public or shared presentations. Select the music from your files, then confirm. PowerPoint will place an audio icon on your slide. That icon represents your track. You can drag it to a corner to keep it out of the way. At this point, your music is embedded and ready to go. You can preview it directly in the slide to check that it sounds good. A few helpful tips as you finalize things. Choose a track that supports your message without overpowering it. Keep the volume moderate so it doesn't compete with your voice, and consider using shorter, lighter instrumentals for backgrounds. If your file is large, compressing the audio before adding it can help your presentation load faster. And if you're presenting in a room with speakers, test the sound from the back of the room to make sure it's clear. That's all it takes. Open PowerPoint in your browser, sign in, create a blank presentation, go to Insert, click Audio, and select your music file. Give it a quick play to confirm, then save your presentation so nothing gets lost. You're ready to present with a polished soundtrack that elevates your slides.